Welcome to a new Voltlog. This will be just a short video. I want to talk about the prices and the discounts that we get on the shopping festivals, because most of us think, and myself included here, we think the price cuts we get for these shopping festivals are not actually true. We tend to think prices are inflated some time ahead, only to be discounted on that day, which makes them go back to roughly the same price they normally sell for. Even in my past video with shopping suggestions, Voltlog 269, I got such a comment, and I don't blame the people for thinking this, because like I said, I tend to think the same, but I also want to find out the truth. So what I did some time ago, beginning of September to be more precise, I saved some screenshots of various items that I was interested in from AliExpress. Today it's the 12th, the sale started yesterday, so we'll compare prices before and after to see if the sellers actually raised the prices before the sellers, and are we really getting any discounts on this 11th Singles Day shopping festival. This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com, a professional PCB supplier who can offer 24 hours turnaround time for prototype PCBs for just $2. You also have a selection of solder mask colors with no extra cost and affordable laser cut stencils, so it's definitely worth checking them out. Let's start with this drying towel. We can see in September this was $3.99 with a shipping cost of $2, and let's check the price now. It's the same price with the same shipping cost, so no discount for this product. It's exactly the same price, but there is also no special tag signaling this product is included in the promotion, so no harm being done here. Now let's take a look at this Aneng N870 multimeter. It was $26.65 base price, discounted to 18 and 12 cents with a shipping cost of $11.76. And let's check the price now. It's discounted to $17.32 with the same shipping cost. We noticed this product is included in the promotion and we actually get a discount. Now let's take a look at this hot glue gun. It's the one I use, you've seen it before. It was $12.93 base price, discounted to $8.92 with free shipping. And let's check the price now, it's $12.93. And I've watched this closely, the discount expired right when the 11th campaign started. So you pay the full base price now while the campaign is running. Now let's take a look at these label printer cassette tapes. Base price was $280, discounted to $255 with free shipping. And let's check the price now, it's $207. We get a discount for this product, it's cheaper to buy now. Now let's take a look at this sensor from Bosch. Base price was $1070, discounted to $952 with a shipping cost of $293. And let's check the price now, it's $942 with the same shipping cost, so we get a 10-cent discount for this product. Now let's take a look at this IR thermometer. Base price was $21.24, discounted to $15.93 with a shipping cost of $191. Let's check the price now, it's $13.59 with the same shipping cost, so we do get a discount on this product. Now let's take a look at this project box. Base price was $15, discounted to $11.25 with a shipping cost of $15.68. And let's check the price now, it's $10.05 with the same shipping cost, so once again we get a small discount on this product. Now let's take a look at this thermometer. Base price was $18.21, discounted to $12.75 with free shipping. And let's check the price now, it's $12.79 with the same shipping cost, so we got a small increase in price for this product. It's 4 cents more expensive. Now let's take a look at this e-paper adapter board. Base price was $13.99, discounted to $12.45 with free shipping. And let's check the price now, it's $12.31 with the same shipping cost. So we got a small discount for this product as well. And the last item I watched was the Gopher power supply, the new model. The base price was $61.99, discounted to $50.21 with free shipping. And let's check the price now, it's $48.97 with a shipping cost of $11.08. So you end up paying less for the product but more for the shipping cost, which adds up to the total cost, and you end up paying more now. Now I've gathered all of this data into a table to calculate the discounts, if any were provided, and this is what it looks like. In red we have the items where you actually end up paying more on the 11th. We can see a couple of massive price increases for the hot glue gun and for the Gopher power supply. In yellow we have the products where the price stayed the same, we have just one of those. In green, we have the products where you could actually save something, but as we can see, with the exception of the label tape cassette, discounts are below 5%. This might or might not be relevant because it was based on a very small selection of items, just some products that I was interested in, and I did not monitor the product price within those 2 months. It would be interesting, for example, to monitor the price every day, store the value, and then at the end just generate a graph to easily see the evolution of price versus time. At least from the data that I have gathered, there is no clear indication that the sellers are artificially increasing prices, especially to discount them on the 11th. So I would say the situation is not as bad as we think it is if we look at some data, but also it's not as pretty as the websites painted, because if we look at the data, the discounts are usually less than 5%. But I would be interested in hearing your thoughts on this. Did you monitor the prices on products that you are interested in? Did you experience the same things that I did in my experiment? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget you can support the channel on Patreon. Every single dollar counts. And I'll see you next time with a new video.